Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today, we're on the side of the road. What could John be doing? It's Saker time. We're going to take this little saw and we're going to go trim a tree that's on the side of the road. Why? Because I had a tractor trailer come over with a double yellow line at me and almost hit me. To avoid, I went further to the right and I had a branch hit my mirror. Well, luckily it didn't break my mirror, but we can't have that. So we're going to use this little 4-inch mini chainsaw that Saker sent me because they love my videos so much, and we're going to trim it up. So let's get busy. This is what we're going to cut. So I'm going to need both hands. I'll show you what it looks like after I get it cut. Didn't take long, less than 5 minutes. You can see about the size of this. So let me show you. That is red oak. Guys, if you're ever looking for a really nice saw to trim your trees around your property, or in this case, alongside the road, go to sakertools.com or walmart.com and look up the Saker tool line. They have all kinds of things. Like I say, the company sent me this free of charge as long as I make videos on it being used. So guys, my good deed for the day is done. I just got done working a full shift. And now it's time to go home and be happy. You have an awesome day and God bless.